index values at
Alright, good morning, shitballs.
Saturday.
Time to get you a required research test this week, because we had a severe weather postponed. The test was postponed, and now we are doing the required research test this week. So let's get this required research test this week.
Early in the evening. Sunday, sunny, breezy, hot with highs in the mid-90s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Not as warm with lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday, a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s.
Never do like this.
Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, a chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Showers likely. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 70%. At 11 a.m., light rain was falling in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 67, and the dew point 61. The relative humidity was 81%. Wind was northwest at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.89 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the tri-state area, Mitchell was cloudy and 65. Hampton had light rain and 64. Brookings was partly sunny and 67. Luverne had a temperature of 75. Worthington was partly sunny and 75. Other conditions across the northern plains. Around South Dakota, it was sunny with a temperature of 76 at Aberdeen, 72 at Pierre, and 73 at Rapid City. At Watertown, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 69. At Huron, it was cloudy with a temperature of 66. In southern Minnesota, it was partly sunny. It was 78 at Marshall, 76 at Mankato, 76 at Redwood Falls, 78 at Minneapolis, and 71 at Rochester. Across Iowa, at Spencer, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 78. At Sioux City, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 72. At Des Moines, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 72.
Yeah, it might take a while to get it.
Eastern Nebraska, at Norfolk, rain was falling, with a temperature of 64. At Omaha, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75.
Yeah, take the big buddy. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait.
Rain was falling with a temperature of 67. The current time is 11:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Operating on a frequency of 160.
They might be ready for some tests.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM28, broadcasting from a transmitter near Rowena, South Dakota. Our program originates from the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls and serves the surrounding tri-state area. This hazardous weather outlook is from northwest Iowa, west central Iowa, southwest Minnesota, northeast Nebraska, central South Dakota, east central South Dakota, south central South Dakota, and southeast South Dakota. For today and tonight, scattered showers and storms are expected this afternoon. While severe storms are not expected, locally heavy rain could lead to ponding mostly in urban low-lying areas east of I-29. For Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms are possible Thursday night. These storms may have the potential to be strong to severe, but there is uncertainty regarding the location of storms. By the end of this week, heat and humidity building into the area will likely produce
Here we go.
of 100 degrees Friday through Sunday. Those without
1 minute left.
limited cooling resources will want to monitor the forecast and prepare for extreme heat. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Your national weather
Here we go.
and the surrounding tri-state area. Rest of today, mostly cloudy.
I'm gonna stay quiet, so
partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
I'm gonna stay quiet. I don't want to yell because we got neighbors over here.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles midnight. Chance of rain 20%. Juneteenth, sunny, warmer with highs around 90. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Friday, sunny, breezy, hot with highs in the mid-90s. South winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 103 in the afternoon. Friday night.
Yeah, here we go, here we go.
Then becoming
We gotta get it loud.
lows in the
We gotta get
mid-70s.
a loud test.
Heat index values up to 100 early in the evening. Saturday, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 90s.
Yeah, here we go, here we go.
Values up to 105 in the afternoon.
Maybe it's postponed because
Mostly
you
clear and
can
breezy.
do with weather.
Lows in the upper 70s. Heat index values up to 105 early in the evening. Sunday, sunny,
Maybe it's just
breezy,
postponed.
hot with highs in the mid-90s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening.
Yeah, I
Then
think you
becoming
can
mostly
actually see my
cloudy.
WR300.
A chance of thunderstorms.
WR120.
A chance of showers in the evening.
My
Then showers
WR120.
likely after midnight.
My
Warm
shading.
lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday, a chance of thunderstorms.
Alright.
A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Not as warm with
Yeah, here we go, here we go.
Chan- This is a test. This is a test. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This tone will normally precede the broadcast of emergency messages. During potential dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to advise or warn of impending hazards. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time. The test will be canceled if severe weather threatens the area during the usual test time. Reception of this broadcast, especially of the alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability is caused by such factors as terrain and distance from the transmitters, and will occur even though you may be using a good quality receiver. To provide the most consistent and dependable service possible, the warning alarm tone will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting those counties within each transmitter's listening area. This concludes our test. We now return to normal programming. Your National Weather Service forecast for Sioux Falls and the surrounding tri-state area.
There you have it, guys. There you have it.